Today we're gonna make a twist on a traditional s'mores. We're making classic s'mores bars. To get started on making our classic s'mores bars, I'm gonna take the butter and I'm gonna melt it on the stove. While our butter is melting, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 375. So now we have our melted butter. I have graham cracker crumble here. You could either just crush up some graham crackers or purchase graham cracker crumble. We're gonna take that, we're gonna pour the melted butter over it, as well as our brown sugar. We're gonna take this, mix it all together. We're also gonna add to this mixture just a tiny pinch of salt. Mix that together. And now we're gonna take, now that that's all, you can see the butter is well incorporated into our mixture, we're gonna take an 8x8 Pyrex pan, and I'm gonna put this inside, and we're gonna make our crust. We're gonna press this down to make our graham cracker crust. Our oven has been preheated, so it's all ready. And now that we press this down, perfect, we're gonna pop this in the oven to cook the crust. We've cooked this for 10 minutes, perfect. We're gonna take this out of the oven and we're gonna let it cool before we add in our chocolate and our marshmallows. Once you've let it cooled, it's nice and hard, and so we can add the rest of the ingredients. We have chocolate chips. We're gonna evenly put them on top. Spread them out. And top with mini marshmallows. So simple. And a little bit less messy than the traditional s'mores. Even though I do love roasting marshmallows, this is a kind of a fun way to make the same effects, a little twist on our traditional s'mores. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna bake it back in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so I baked this for about 7 minutes, nice toasted brown on top, just like a roasted marshmallow. I'm cutting this and trying to scoop it out over here so you guys can see. It is still a little bit hot. You should let them cool a little bit longer, but I'm gonna scoop this out so you could see these. Look at all of these. Oh my goodness. Oh, amazing. Scoop this out on here. I can't wait to dig in. Look at that. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for my favorite products.